I think it's on game now.
Yeah. Still.
Cause I had something to say to everybody who pay whatever I want.
She just said it now.
Everybody's like, far away, going nowhere, let's go into the store. Ain't gotta wait, I'll tell you I have even more. Picking the plate, putting the plate, she is on a routine. I've seen it like this, didn't think it existed, no truth.
A little deep, busy.
I'm getting away, she's not in a place, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else I'm
After 4 hours?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, for the guests to settle down.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, cooling is not bad. Yeah, you did a good job.
else I'm not. She can make all the problems disappear. She can tell you the things you wanna hear. She can read your mind and then she can lie. Every little lie, so tell yourself that never
All my options. Okay. Eva. Okay. We did it. We did it. Okay. Let's move you here. Oh my goodness. What size is this? Is this a fridge or a freezer? It has to be a fridge. I see vegetable things there. Of course, there's water dispenser. So it's definitely a fridge. This one is for wine. My fridge, my rose, and my wine stays here. Okay. And then second door. Let's remove this. Man. Christmas, early birthday gift actually. Ta-da! This is a freezer. It's a deep freeze, this one, and it looks something like this. My friend, the rest I'll do later. But at least I got to unbox your friend and the happy man. I'm fine, I'm happy. Oh. Okay, I can close the ice tray, right? Or do I close this thing? What is this for? Please comment down below and tell me what this is, because I don't know. I'm only 20 something. The second gift I see, well, it's not gift, I paid for it, okay? It's, oh, even better. I have a bigger ice tray now. Oh, even the tray emakumba, my what? Oh, it's an egg holder. Why do we really have to go that far with eggs? Okay, it's fine. Not that I'm complaining. It's fine. It's okay. And then these are 2 for eggs. And then we have the wheel spanner. What is the wheel spanner doing? Is it the ice holder? Is it something you use to hold the ice? But it looks like a wheel spanner, you see? I know car things, man. I'm done, and here's the baby. Here is the baby. So let's start with the freezer. Oh, yeah, lighter. Okay. Now freezer, yeah, lighter. Right. The dispenser is empty. And then, okay. Alrighty. I'm so happy. Oh my god. Free chicken Hisense. Ziluna. Even the one I upgraded from was a Hisense. Similar color. You know my small student fridge, right? Oh, but God has been so good, friend.
2,000 years later.
I don't know what to have. I need 1 or 2. Oh, this thing is big, the fridge. Hey. Hi, friend. If Sangene was a house, it's this one. If I show you how this house is, you're gonna cry with me. The construction is keeping it dirty, the dust everywhere, and wow. So I went to Spar. I went to buy a few things. I bought this cabbage. Guys, the cabbage was so cheap, eh? That's why I even bought it, because we never finish it. Spar cabbage, 9 rands. This big thing. I think it's in season. I bought these 1 kg of potatoes for 22 rands. And then I also bought the carrots. They were 16 rands, I'm sure. Onion. And I bought beetroot. I want to make casoro, beetroot and rice with stew. Mara, because I'm first when she cooks while drinking. It's Monday today, and welcome. Okay, I'll do the introduction later. Somebody recommended that I try different things in order to see if I can change Savannah. Like, you know, I want to try this. I want to taste new alcohol. I want to, like, there are many ciders that I don't know. So I feel like I'm left behind, man. You know, with Asthma 2000, we always want to hamba nenako, man. You get it? So yeah, I bought these. And I want to give them a try. There's mojito and margarita. Let me start with this because I love mojito so much. Even when I go out, I order mojito because it's the healthiest and it doesn't have a lot of sugar. I hope it's the same with this one. Friend, I'm here to open the vlog and do like, hit subscribe, do anything to show me some love. I appreciate that. Thank you, friend.
what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me.
It's nice.
I wanna wake up
It's
with
giving cocktail, bruh.
Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room.
I love it.
Let me float around.
I love it, friend.
Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're
Yeah. Oh, let me take a picture of the thumbnail. Ooh, I always forget.
2,000 years later.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Jonathan, your friend, the usual. It is the day after my birthday today. Today is the 3rd of October. Friends, I don't have a, I'm sorry. I don't have a birthday vlog. Yeah, I don't have a birthday vlog, friend. I've been so busy in the kitchen, eh? Okay, hold on. Calm the teeth, Charlotte. If this is your first time you see this pretty face, hello, hi, my name is Charlotte and I'm your friend. Please do hit the subscribe button, like this video, and also hit the notification bell so that each time I upload, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, so yeah, it's the day after my birthday. I am 30. It's the 3rd and it's Friday. Usually we have a work policy. Is it a policy? A privilege wherein if you are working, if your birthday, like, okay, it doesn't matter when it is, right? On your birthday you don't work. You get a recognition day and you don't work on your birthday. So yesterday I was supposed to stay at home, do nothing or have fun, but I couldn't do that, friend. I chose to take Friday. That's because on Thursday I had people working in. I don't know if you can see, but we have grand nights, baby girl. We have the grand night, okay? So there were people doing the job here, and they were also complete. Hey, kuning. So in a nutshell, I didn't do much on my birthday. I did order in a shampoo. I also ordered a cake. I mean, it's this good season to get drunk and have sugar on your birthday. But I couldn't eat any of those. I couldn't even order in takeaways. Like, I was just not there, okay? But today is a new day. It's a better day. It is Friday. And I want to show you what I bought yesterday for my birthday. As I'm like this, I'm on my way to CTM. I need some mosaic. There's this mosaic thing. So when I made an online order, I accidentally ordered one. They need 3, so I need to get that. And then, yeah, see how the day goes, baby girl. It's a Friday after all. Friday where I'm celebrating my birthday, okay? All right, let me take out what I bought so you can see. So I've always wanted this cake from Checkers, but I didn't have a nice excuse to have it, right? It's chocolate mosaic cake that is always out of stock. It made the rounds on TikTok. This cake was trending, but I was like, Charlotte, hey, your time will come. You're not a sugar person. You'll get a good excuse to have sugar. So today is the day. And then of course I have to down it with some bubbles. Okay, so here's some bubbles. And you know, I have the perfect glasses in the world. I'm gonna have with these, and then yeah, come, let me show you how these is. I'm gonna taste, so that these days I will be testing and reviewing with you, my friend. I want to taste and tell you if the hype was worth it. Let me see you later. Let me just cut my cake. Friend, didn't food. Don't go pop champagne. Like, there's no way I'm just gonna open a bottle and just act all demure like it's just a bottle. No, am I crazy? This has to have evidence, bro. Oh, okay, I think I need manpower. We need women with male nails so they can help us out. Because what is this? Yeah, I'm not gonna act demure and open a champagne and sip and be like, yeah, that's my, ew, am I crazy? I gotta pop it, baby girl, for my birthday's sake, okay? So I'm doing this. Let's open it up. Let's open it up. I know it's gonna be hard. I know it's gonna be hard, but hello, hi. Oh shit, what is it gonna hit? Oh my god, hold on, friend, let me check that. I have my glasses there, there's no way I'm gonna risk it. I'll pop my bottle, I'll pop champagne, I'll pop my, okay. Woo! It's a birthday! Cheers! Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Getting that fatty. Okay, serious things. Serious things. Let me pour it and have the champagne. Okay. Cheers.
Find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. Come meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it
Why is my cake sweating?
my way.
Why is my cake sweating? I just don't get it. Okay.
And you can quench
Love
this
it, love it, love it,
fire,
take it
no. So give me when I want
You're
it,
not even gonna finish this, I know you.
'cause I know what you need.
Cheers! So let us taste and review this cake.
Oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me. Give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me. Give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me. Give it to me. Oh, give it to me now. Slow dancing in the night. Yeah. I wake you up inside.
But
I want you close and tight. Yeah, I want it my way.
if I were to give an honest review, né? The hype up was from a point of ifanana cake ya Woolies, né? I don't think so. It's nice, but the sponge, you can feel it's a sponge. With the Woolies sponge, you just swallow. You don't have to chew it. So this one is not as moist, but they tried. It's better than most cakes I've eaten, but it's not a Woolies cake. Different recipe, but it's nice. It's nice. It's beautiful. My cake is nice. When you get a chance, my friend, né? Wake up on a day after your birthday, on a Friday, when you're not working, drink champagne on an empty stomach. You'll feel what I'm feeling now. Like, bro! Friend, let me go to CTM right now. I don't know what time they close, but it's quite late now. I should get my SD. And I'll see you later, friend. Or should I go with you? Maybe I should. Come, let's go. Let's go. I didn't tell you they installed the stove, né? They installed the stove, my friend, but it's not done yet. They still need to to do the wall. I'm just giving you a bit and piece. The next time you see, it's gonna be a full thingy. It's gonna be a full view of the kitchen. Yo, I'm so in love with the granite. I'm so in love. Why am I showing you? Right is outside, ne? I'm just spraying this cologne, then we go. Okay, let's go, let's go. There's too much pressure here, my friend. Too much pressure. Look at this. Just as I thought I'm done with the kitchen, I get to see this. I get to see the luxury of this. No, man. Okay, let me do what I'm here for and forget the rest, because we ain't just like, oh yeah, I actually need these, the mosaics, but it's not the correct brand. Well, do they say brand or whatever? Straight mosaic. These are also nice, but I didn't buy this, so I want more. Oh, okay. Yazi ngifunani? Ngifuna ama mosaic ama piece out to lawa white. Mosaic white. Yeah. Hello. Sharp. Yona sengithengile kushoda out to and a glass. So it's only 26 sithombe sakhona. Yeah, it's this one. I just had my, now I need a calm moment. Yo, I walked from CTM to Southgate. You know what made my walk painful, ne? This guy at CTM, he was offering me a transport, and I turned it down politely. And then you know what he said? It's like, yeah, hamba marankela, be careful, because there are guys here, babamba inkonzi wati, and you must walk in between the two lanes. Hey, mfethu! I got terrified, like I was flying. Oh, I actually need food court. Let me use that other entrance. I'm gonna pass here and cross to the other side. Like, so yeah, friend, I'm here now and I want to use my KFC coupons. Let's go. It's month end and it's crazy. Like, the queues everywhere. Yo. Yeah, ne? Look at my employer. Oh, guys. Friend, I haven't been to a mall that is this packed in a long time. Like, I don't see this where I stay. Whether it's long weekend, month end, I don't see this. Like, it's a lot of people here. I am even claustrophobic, man. You're always bumping into people. Oh my goodness. It's giving Kasi vibes. It's a good thing though. People are united. Guys, I've never seen a lot of people like this. No ways. No flipping ways. It's not even a weekend, bruh. Yo. Thank you. Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, bonga. I think I overdid it. There's a lot of food here. My heart just wants to request and go home. It's a lot. I even forgot what I bought from Debonair's. What is this? Oh, it's a pizza pie. Okay, let's try it out. It's a little bent though. It's just okay, man. It has too much Debonair sauce, so I'm not gonna buy it again. It's sour. It's okay. This is the second item I bought, né? I forgot. It was a combo, so it was 3 in 1. I don't know what's inside. This is the second thing I bought. This is sweet chili. These are some bites. I don't know. Let's taste. They're okay, bro. Nothing out of this world. Why is it so dry though? It's just okay. Well, I'm just gonna have this alone. I'm full. I couldn't even finish the pizza. I only ate one side. So I get the food thing is not mine. Oh, shit. Not bad at all. I'm done. I'm going home. And my stomach is full of sugar. I'm not okay. I need champagne. So I'm gonna go home now and bake. You know, bake. I'm not okay. I feel like I don't like sugar. Yo, I feel so full. I don't, bro. Yeah, so I'll see you later.
So sengiyayibona man. Okay. Phela labantu basifunda ukuthi okay, these human beings they behave like this, like monkeys. It's giving 5,000 instead of kill another monkey because it's kids.
Yeah.
Oh, they are drunk.
Baholile sebayadakwa manje.
Abantu abadala carrying a beer.
When it comes to you, but I can't.
Menze njalo.
So let me show you what I
Kwamele kuyeke le. Uku-retirement age lo.
Ngicela uba nomfazi wa-2010 uba nama-girlfriend
Ama-peace jobs.
ama-fish job. The next thing, umuntu uyasebenza busy asking for money.
Yo,
Yeah.
ngabe usebenza kanzima.
Ngapha usebenza kanzima. My thing will just not work. Just don't want it. I don't have any feeling for that.
Ngike ngazi ukuthi sometimes umuntu wesilisa uyakhona ukuyifila this thing ukuthi kunebungozi la.
Yeah, you can-
Iyasensa yona self.
yeah, so don't go there first.
Yeah, true.
So I stopped it because it happened like umngane wami ngephethe imali.
You want me like we're wasting time with you, baby.
Hi friend, good morning. Yo,
It will be
I haven't seen you in how long. I thought I should come and close this vlog. I look crusty, still in the morning. I just literally got up. I was trying to edit from bed. I'm like, there's no closure like before. Things is becoming very common. So I thought I should come here and close the vlog because if I don't close it now, we're not gonna have vlog for this week. Cause yeah, I'm kind of preoccupied this week. So I don't even remember the last time I saw you. Maybe it's the time I went out. There was a time I went out a day after my birthday. Yeah, and then I thought I would update you on the kitchen project because those people only have to come once and just finalize everything. But they haven't wrapped it up. They said they're gonna come tomorrow, and tomorrow is when it's Thursday tomorrow, and I think it will be in the next vlog. So in the next vlog, I'll either do a vlog or just a storytelling of how much I spent on the kitchen, blah blah blah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that for you, my friend, and so that you can have an idea. Some of you would really want to know. Maybe you are thinking of a kitchen project. There's things that you wouldn't know until you actually do them. Even research wouldn't take you as far as experience. You understand? Yeah, so let me close it off here, friend. If you did watch, you're watching this part of the vlog, thank you so much for loving me. Thank you so much for watching, and I do appreciate you. Please do leave a little heart or just comment anything, or just say something right at the bottom so that we can grow this family together. Thank you. And from me to you, bye now. Bye. Bye.